my new favorite modifier. Today's video is sponsored obviously by the Illuminati. Open your clip in the Fusion page, and add a merge node. Bring a camera shake node in empty space, connect your clip to this, and then to the merge as a foreground. Adjust the sliders to your liking, and once you are satisfied with your results, select the merge node, right-click in the blend slider, and select to modify it with blip. For this you need to install the Reactor plugin and activate the blip modifier. Go to the Modifiers tab. The first slider is for the value when the blip is off. The second slider is the value which will be when it is on. The blip length slider is for the duration of it, and then you just need to write down in the frames box, the frames in which you want to activate it. So what I'm saying to the modifier is that I want the blend mode to be in 0, switch it to 1 and hold it for 5 frames, and do this in my given times. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, you don't have any other option.